Hopefully you're having an awesome day. I am Enrique, and today we're gonna go over how to draw a ferret, a cute ferret, right, like a cartoony one. Ferrets are pretty cute anyway, but we're gonna be going over how to draw that. I'm gonna be using this marker here, and I'm gonna be using this colored pencil, and then maybe a black, colored pencil too. I'm not sure yet. So before, what do we do? Oh, let me talk a little bit about the marker. The marker is a Faber-Castell PITT artist pen, really good marker. Is basically a Sharpie. You could do it with a Sharpie too, but if you do it with a Sharpie, please open a window. Please open a window because it is very, how do you say this? It smells really bad, and supposedly the smell is very bad for you. So let's get into this. Right now what I'm gonna do an under sketch for this one, and I recommend you do that too. So, oh, before that, if you guys like anything related to cute drawings, you guys like anything to caricatures, if you guys like anything basically cute, like and like how to draw your favorite characters cute, I even have general drawing advice, any of that stuff, click that bell icon, whoops, click that subscribe button, and then click the bell icon. So subscribe, then bell. The bell is going to give you notifications for when I post videos. Let's get into this now. So I'm going to start with this pencil, and this is going to be a pure under sketch, and this is regular printing paper, by the way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a circle here to get the general shape of the ferret, and I'm gonna pull up here. Think it in very simple. Think up like a tube. This is the kind of the foot right there, the upper part of the leg. Foot sticks out the bottom here. Same here. And I'm going to draw just straight up lines right here for the arm. So this is purely for underneath another sheet of paper, right? Because I didn't think I could hit the proportions well enough the first time, since there's a little bit more going on with this ferret body. So that is a very simple, simple shapes kind of approach. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to slide that underneath another piece of paper. Remember, this is regular computer paper. This is 11 by 17 though. Tabloid, it's just a different size, but same thing. You can vaguely see it. You might not even be able to see it on camera, but I can see it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my marker sketch on this, and using that framework I just built up. So I'm going to draw a straight line here at the top. Pull down. Let's get into the coloring of this. The coloring is, well, you could throw the other arm over here on this side. I think the coloring is going to be where the ferret kind of stuff comes out, because it has kind of these kind of raccoon look. So I'm going to grab this gray colored pencil. The colored pencil I'm using is from Crayola brand. It is a really, no offense to Crayola, cheap colored pencil. I mean, like, this is the bottom of the barrel. Like, you just go to the dollar store, and you can get probably these. To be honest, these are junk. Just to let you know. And I'm gonna put. It depends how hard I'm gonna push on this, which will give the effect I want. So I'm gonna divide this up into color areas already. I'm gonna go, and you don't worry about it. We'll go through it together. So around the face here, there's gonna be a very dark band here in the back of the head. I'm gonna push down on this colored pencil harder to make it look like a different value. Now I'm gonna throw really light. See, I'm just gonna use very light pressure. Right here as well, I'm gonna use very light pressure. Very light pressure. Then right here, I'm gonna go back to pushing down pretty hard. I have to be careful not to break the pencil. And you'll learn that through time, or you might just get it right off the bat, how not to break that pencil and push down really hard on it. And there you go. That would be a ferret, at least one version of a ferret. Hopefully that was easy enough to follow. I know the coloring part, it can be a little bit weird. I would look at real ferrets and then see their color patterns and try to match those. Or you can just take this one right here that I did. But hopefully that worked for you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching, guys. Do me, well, no, actually it's not here. But I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. I will see you guys next time. One last thing, if you want to learn more about cute drawing, if you want like a cute starter pack kind of thing, please download the ebook I have. I created a short ebook based on proportions of like cute stuff. You know, how to make something cute, like a person or animal or things of that sort. So pick that up if you can. It's gonna be in the link below. It is totally free, by the way, guys. Totally free. It's a free short ebook. I just thought the ebook was, you know, short enough that it could be totally free. So it's a PDF file. So thanks a lot, guys. I will talk to you next time.